Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. So if your Meta AI is not working or not showing on your WhatsApp, what you can do is just go to the app info of your WhatsApp application and then go to storage and cache, clear cache, and check if your problem is fixed or not. But by clearing the cache, if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is clear the storage of WhatsApp, so it will also log you out from WhatsApp application. So you have to, before clearing the storage, you have to make sure that all of your data has been backed up on Google Drive. So once you have backed up all of your data on Google Drive, then you can come back here once again and clear the storage. Once you've cleared the storage, and then open the WhatsApp application once again and try to sign in to your account with your phone number. Once you've signed in, then check if your problem is fixed or not. But if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp and check if any update is available for WhatsApp or not. If any update is available, which means you have to update your WhatsApp application, and after that your problem will. But if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is check if you're connected to NordVPN or not. If you're connected to VPN, just disconnect it right away and restart your phone and then check again. But if your problem is still not fixed yet, then what you can do, go to Google and then type or search for WhatsApp server status. Is it down right now? WhatsApp.com. You can check anything. For example, site 24x7. Is WhatsApp down? Click on it. Now, as you can see, the service status of WhatsApp is current status is up. So the servers are working. And then check once again. Hopefully your problem will be fixed by doing all of these steps. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.